Hey everyone, so let's take a look at this app which is called Scoops. So this is one of the new alternatives for TikTok. In case TikTok gets banned, this is one of the popular apps you might try. And yeah, it's also a bit different. So this app is mostly focusing on news and, like, as I understand, like local news in your area. In TikTok format. So SCOOPZ app isn't just about catching news, it's about diving into a sea of stories all through the vivid and vibrant form of video, from your local scoop to global happenings and the lifestyle tips in between. Scoops bring the world closer to you, one clip at a time. With Scoops, you are not just an audience, you are a creator. Share your video stories, offer insights and unveil experiences that can inspire, inform, or simply entertain. It's your platform to express what's real and relevant to you and your community. Say goodbye to ads and hello to uninterrupted viewing. Scoops is all about delivering a seamless video experience without distractions. So that's pretty cool. Actually, they claimed not to have ads. So video news and stories, interactive and immersive, tailored to your interests, uninterrupted enjoyment. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And this app appeared quite recently here in the App Store, and it's already in the top charts, as you can see. So yeah, let's just dive into it. So I already went into it and created an account, and then you just this is how it looks like. So you're just swiping around, and then basically that's what you have. You can like, you can comment, you can block, report, and similar to TikTok, very
Hey, I like your wig.
so yeah, bunch of content is like on TikTok. And then yeah, you just have like search, very easy design, very minimalistic. I think it's because TikTok lately seems so overloaded with all these buttons and all of things. Here it's just much more simpler, just focused on the video. Then of course you can just create your own content. Then there are notifications. Notifications are a bit different. So there are a lot of notifications just about local news in your area. And then you just have your profile. So here's your profile, which you have here. Yeah, so that's basically how it looks like. And then yeah, for example, let's just try to just upload a simple video. So then I will just try to use this video. Can add caption, and then you can just try to post it here. And then as you can see, the upload is completed. And then yeah, it just takes time to process it. You can then go to your video, you can add it, delete it, you can chat, Snapchat, like it. Then there is also like a creator dashboard, quite similar as you have on TikTok. Yeah, you can see your engagement, number of views, number of followers, and yeah, maybe it's a good idea to start posting in this app to, starting collecting followers and audience, just in case something is happening with TikTok. Yeah, it's maybe can be one of the top apps actually, used as an alternative for TikTok. If you don't like the app, you can go and delete your account in the bottom. Then there is like a privacy and safety. Here you can just select location, or yeah, primary location. You can also add some more locations where you want to get content from, and news from. So for example, I think this app also is mostly available in US. Oh, and then I see for some reason the content is rejected. Never happened to me. Maybe they use some kind of AI testing to don't allow like a very easy content. that's something new. But anyhow, then you can just see reactions, who liked it, and then you can see history, and yeah, then you can edit your profile. You can see, set your website, set your bio, set your gender, uh, and that's basically it. So it's pretty cool app, just to get started. I really like the like a minimalist design of it, that there are not like 50 buttons, like different things like that. It's just, you're just watching video here, and that's just what you do. You don't waste your time on the like different unnecessary stuff and clicking all the buttons and menus and all of that. So yeah, pretty cool app. Definitely recommend you to try it out. It's called SCOOPZ, real life, real video. Yeah, it has quite positive ratings so far. Excellent focused content. Love this app, great. So yeah, good app, but some of the people say that it has a lot of actually scam users, or maybe just AI bots. So that's what it is. So yeah, this app is being built, as you can see, by Local AI Inc. So it definitely can be possible that there are some AI bots here, just pushing content just to get some early traction, and that's totally can be true. But yeah, the positive things about this app, that there are no ads, and the app is really focused, great design. You're just watching videos, you're not distracted, and it's like a TikTok for adults. So that's the app was about. So yeah, what I can add, great app. If you like, enjoying news in video content, if you like TikTok, or you're looking for some TikTok alternative early on, in case something is happening with TikTok. Of course, you can try to migrate your audiences to Instagram Reels, to YouTube Shorts, but there are also some niche apps like this one, and maybe here it can be easier to collect some early following. So yeah, just give it a try. I'm just bringing your attention to this app. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, enable notifications for new videos.